Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to see an introduction and overview for SAP Datasphere. So SAP Datasphere, it is the next generation of SAP Data Warehouse Cloud and the foundation for a business data fabric that simplifies the data landscape and enables a powerful open data ecosystem. So SAP Datasphere is a next generation for SAP Data Warehouse Cloud. Okay, so the key features for SAP Datasphere are the access to uh, authoritative data, enrich all data projects, simplify the data landscape, multi-cloud services, BW Bridge. So your BW Bridge is on, you might be aware it's a new technology. So by allowing the existing BW customers to use their models, okay. Datasphere architecture, we can say hybrid architecture. When I say the hybrid means it's combining the BW or BW for HANA with the Datasphere. So whenever we are upgrading our existing data flow or the architecture from the BW system or BW for HANA and to the Datasphere, so what are the things going to change and what are the things going to replace? So in that case, this hybrid architecture is something that we are not going to do any changes. The same structure, same data flow will be available. Like we have an analytics layer, staging layer, any database. So this flow will be existing flow will be there. And apart from it is going to combine with the data services functionalities. Like the analytics layer is going to be a data layer or a business layer. I mean to say the front end reporting layer. And there is something like a spaces. The spaces is nothing but the small set of data sets, we can say, or data warehouses that's been created for the users by the security team whenever they want to do some analysis or kind of activities. So these spaces will be created by the security or the basis team. Okay, so this is about the hybrid architecture. Hybrid architecture is nothing but it is going to combine the existing BW that is going to be into the Datasphere. Okay, it is going to combine that. It is not going to replace anything. Then the next slide, I'm moving to the next slide. Here are the conversion paths to the SAP Datasphere. When I say the conversion paths, this is our existing, whenever we have into the BW system, we have these many options or these many functions will be available. So what would be in the Datasphere, what would be the new options? When we say the BEX tools, reporting tools like Analyzer or Web, we'll be having the SAP Analytics Cloud, SAC. And Query Designer will have something like Model Transfer, Classic Objects. When we say the classic objects, we have info cubes, ODS or DSOs, multi-providers, info sets. Those will be the ADSOs and the composite provider. And info object would be the info object. And loading objects like transformations, DTP, and the process chains. So this one, there is a slight change. Transformations and DTPs will be the same, but instead of process chain, we have a BW Bridge process chain. Okay. And SAP GUI, here we have Eclipse-based BW modeling that we have seen in our BW systems, right? BW for HANA. And the source systems, like we have a ERP extractors, BW, that are going to be consolidations to the ODP, UD and DB connect and data services, consolidation to the SAP Datasphere, HANA, and the sources as HANA or a file, consolidation to SAP Datasphere. And we have something like PSA and info package. Those will be the operational delta query or field-based ADSOs. BA content would be the bridge content, and NLS, nearline storage area, that would be the new cloud store plant. Okay, so these are the things, these are the changes, few changes that are come up as part of the Datasphere. So integration, Datasphere integration with different sources. It is going to integrate with the virtual tables. I mean to say, physically, it is not going to bring any data. It is direct virtual accessing the data from the virtual tables, the source tables, using the concept of SDA, Smart Data Access, or Smart Data Integrated and Embedded Cloud Data Integrators. Okay. And the data flow. Data flows are nothing but the normal integration with the normal database. I mean to say ERP or something like that. What it's going to do, it is going to combine with the different sources. Transformation capabilities. So new transformation capabilities has come up. Those we can call the advanced one, or the new items, and the cloud connectors. Okay, this is going to connect with the cloud connectors and external tools like Snap Logic or different SAP data integrators and data services is going to connect. Okay, and using the SQL interface. Okay, so non-SAP activities, it is going to integrate with the SQL interfaces. Okay, this is what about how the Datasphere is going to integrate with SAP and the non-SAP systems. Okay, so this is all about the just introduction to the Datasphere. Thank you.